Hello. Uh, Here I am going to share Nifty trade setup for 20th April 2020. As per me, Nifty may open approx 9360 or above that. And for this first resistance on Nifty is 9408. You can see here 9408. And if Nifty crosses 9408, then you can wait for 9455. Okay. And I suggest here only you can cover all your long positions and wait. If it crosses this, wait for this level or near to this level 9495 or 9490. You can go short on Nifty with a stop loss of 9510. Okay, so remember this. Here only you have to cover all your long positions, and if this crosses, here you can go short on Nifty, or even you can go near to this, means 9455. Here also you can go short with a stop loss of 9510. For Nifty, first support is 9258, and after this 9145, and below 9145 Nifty is going to be very weak. Below this Nifty can fall sharply, and we can see in next or same, I don't think same session, but in next session definitely we can see uh, previous low of 7600 if Nifty closes below this 9145. Now we are going to share about a bank Nifty trade setup for 20th April 2020. Bank Nifty, it may open near 20255, and for Bank Nifty first resistance is 20590, second resistance is 20714, third resistance is 20922, and after this the all resistance levels are given here, you can check out. And for Bank Nifty, support is, first support level is 19884, after this 19661, and last support for Bank Nifty is 19242. Below this Nifty will fall sharply. We can see the previous low of Bank Nifty. If Nifty closes below this 19242, and here in this video I am going to share some derivative call options, as some of my clients said me that please share some call options. uh, so here first, Biocon, you can buy call option at 364 for the target of 370, and if Nifty opens near to this level, means if Nifty opens near 370, then you can sell Biocon at 370 with a stop loss of 372 for the target of 355. See here I given some 10 derivative calls. Sell call on Coal India at 141, stop loss is 143, target is 135.50. Then DLF also there is a sell call at 142, stop loss is 144, target is 125. ACC also you can go sell at 1192, stop loss is 1195 and target is 1120. Then ICICI Bank, here also you can go sell on, means you can buy put at 364 or near to that, stop loss is 379 and target is 322. Then Infosys you can buy a put call at 699, stop loss is 707 and target is 637. Then RBL is a very strong now, so definitely it will open with some gap. So if it opens uh, above 120, then you can wait for this level 127 or 129, and you can go here short on RBL Bank. Stop loss is 135 and target is 1110. Then Hindalco also sell call at 114, stop loss is 119 and target is 104. Reliance you can sell near 1490, stop loss is 1550, sorry 1515 and target is 1390. So here you can see all the levels are given with the assumption that market will open with a gap up, and you don't understand where to uh, means where to purchase a buy call. So I given with a hope that market will open gap up and you will get all these near to these levels some shares, so you can go short near to these levels with a strict stop loss of this for these targets. Okay, thank you.